This is a place I visited some 5 years ago with my family. It is situated in the heart of Ponda. It's my relative's place. Once, my elder brother and I together climbed a guava tree. He was lucky to get some guavas, but I unfortunately had a fall and got nothing except a fractured shoulder. The well in the compound is full of water in the monsoons but runs dry in summer. The sunset is very admirable and so are the coconut trees. The mountains are very huge. At sunrise, we can see the shiny sun rays falling on the mountains and making it a pleasant view. I love this place because of its coolness and its beauty. It's the right place for someone who is a nature lover like me.